So you will have seen in one of our recent videos that we've been having problems with our whale water heater in our Xplore 304. On the 2 bars of electric, it's been coming up with an error code, shutting itself down and showing that there's an overheat. We emailed our dealer as the van's only 6 months old. You know, we've been away for a few days every month in it and just back from a couple of weeks where the problem first happened. And one of the things they came back to us and suggested was that it might be limescale. Now, yeah, really? After such a short time, I'd be really surprised if it were limescale. But the alternative, having to get it 2.5–3 hours away back to them to get it checked, have them look at it, bring it all the way back again as well, it's worth a few quid on some descaler. So we went down and got some of this. Now, it's probably the most expensive way of using citric acid, but it's made for it. It was $8.99, 500 mils. We half filled the aqua roll, so 20 litres. Tipped this 500 ml into it, filled up as usual, and see what happens. Can't hurt. So we've let it sit for 3 hours, flushed it out, filled it back up. Let's put it on 2 bars and we'll come back in a little while, see what happens. Okay, it's been half an hour later. You can see from the house, from my smart system at home, that the Caravan stopped drawing any power. The 2 bars is 1500 watts, and you can see from that system that we're back to drawing. It's only sort of 12 watts, which is just like the battery charger and everything. And we're still on. No exclamation mark. Still on 2 bars. It's worked. So, never would have thought it. I really didn't believe them on the phone. But 9 quid. Citric acid descaler. Few hours of time. Saved us a lot of time taking it back to our dealer. You know, if it wasn't, it would have been covered under warranty, but definitely worth a go if your heater stops working. Maybe it was scale, maybe it wasn't, maybe it's fluke, maybe there's something else gummed up in there that this has helped shift. Anyway, worth a go. If this has been any use to you, or any other tips that we've done are any use to you, please do subscribe. Like. If it's not, leave some comments. If it's the most boring stuff in the world, just let us know. We'd love to hear from anybody. Thanks very much.